Hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum. Good evening. How are you all? I wish all you are great and fine. Actually, I'm not prepared for today's speech. I'm not that good in speaking English. I make many mistakes, but I try to speak very confidently all the time. First of all, I want to thank all my incredible teachers, Rahas sir and Saddam sir, who is our class teacher, and all the teachers who help us a lot to speak confidently. They don't just teach us a language, they give us the confidence to use it. And I want to thank all my classmates and friends who really inspired me a lot and support me a lot. You're guys, not just my classmate, you're all my friends. And thank you for all of your support and love. That's why today I'm here and speak in front of all of you with confidence. I remember one thing, when I first come here, my hands and legs are just shaking. But now I can speak confidently, and I think this is a big achievement for me. I just want to thank all my teachers, and that's why I'm today here and speak confidently. So thank you so much everyone for your love and support. And lastly, thank you all my teachers who helps me a lot. Thank you.